Hi, my name is Sumanta. I am the Vice President for Marketing at Gamescraft. Gamescraft started in 2017 with three very enthusiastic gamers getting together to build India's most lovable gaming brand. And it was our vision to reach anyone who wants to play an online game across anywhere in India. And hence we partnered with Disney Plus Hotstar because of their unbeatable and unmatchable reach, and the quality of users that we get is unparalleled. So Disney Plus Hotstar has been a great partner with Gamescraft and building our brand across all the games that we have. So when you talk about branding, the branding builds top of the head recall and also top of the funnel for any of your channels to convert them into real users. Without branding, your brand recall does not increase. People do not have any affinity towards your brand. So we have used Disney Plus Hotstar extensively to build our brand and also make people aware of how we want to take the gaming into the future. The targeting that we get from these guys is out of the world. The state targeting, the amount of behavioral targeting, apography being one of them. So these are the very unique and salient features that Disney Plus Hotstar provides us. And our partnership is growing stronger, and we are utilizing their capabilities to the best of our potential, and we are on our way to build one of India's most loved gaming companies. So we have very clear distinctive KPIs, one for the performance bit of it and one for the brand bit of it. So I'll start with the brand piece. What we do is we look at the brand awareness, we look at the top of the head recall, which significantly increased. If we were to put a number to it, it was more than 50%. And that we're talking about a 6-week campaign. So the longer you pull the campaign, the better your results are. And on the performance piece, Disney Plus Hotstar has been able to drive users at a regular basis at good volumes at maintaining the cost of acquisition in place. And we have tasted success every time we did this. Disney Plus Hotstar gives you the kind of access to the regional audiences that I believe no one else in the current Indian ad ecosystem has. They not only have English and Hindi content, they have content in almost all Indian languages, and that helps us reach the remotest corner of India where people do not know English or Hindi. They have been like our partners for penetrating the regional market for us for the longest possible time. India's OTT ecosystem has just started to evolve. There are multiple television channels. They are coming up with their OTT platform. Gradually, you will be seeing a lot of content consumption moving on to the OTT space from the television space. Along with it, you will see a lot of advertising money and a lot of branding money is going on to the OTT space. Branded content has been a part of cinema for a long time, be it English movies, be it Hindi movies or any other movies. They're gradually coming closer home through OTTs and platforms where content creators are engaging with brands to build branded content for them. So branded content gives you a brand integration opportunity that is unachievable by ads or any other plugins that you can do. When somebody is immersing with the content, he's immersing with the brand as well. So that sort of gives you an advantage over any other advertising medium that you could ever think of. When it comes to the OTT, so it is a 2-in-1 medium where you can build your brand as well as build customers that are paying to avail your services or your product. OTT is a conglomeration of branding and your performance marketing. So it is one place to go where you can build your brand as well as you can have performance for acquiring real-time customers who pay for your product and services. 2020 has changed a lot of things and how we perceive things. So cinema halls have been shut. Even the television content was not being shot because of the pandemic situation that is there. So a lot of content consumption, because OTTs have a very long playlists and they have a lot of content that is curated from all over the world. They were able to provide fresh content even during the pandemic. That is what attracted a lot of users towards OTT. And that is where the attention span held, because people had a lot of time because they had nothing to do during the lockdown. So OTT has been fueling and driving the content consumption for 2020, even some part of 2021 that we have been through.
What's your marketing mantra?
My marketing mantra is experiment, learn, reiterate, and succeed.
Leadership wisdom for younger generation?
No wisdom as such, no gyan. Everybody makes their own mistakes, learns and makes their way up into the ladder.
Favorite show on Disney Plus Hotstar?
Cricket. Like other millions of Indians, I love watching cricket on Hotstar.
The most challenging part of your job?
Attribution, because there are a lot of things that you really don't control, but at the end of the day, when you have spent money, you better have a ROI for that.
What comes to mind when we say these words? OTT,
Disney Plus Hotstar,
IPL,
one of my favorite cricketing events.
digital video,
Something people enjoy at their own pace and time.
programmatic,
It's an overhyped word thrown around in the marketing ecosystem, but very few people understand it really well.
branding,
People usually don't associate measurability with branding, but yeah, if something is not measurable, you'll not be able to invest there.
Disney Plus Hotstar.
One of our most trusted partners and where we go for a lot of branding and performance advertising.